On the third day, January 30, at 1:26 p.m., the air temperature was at negative 10.2 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 25.2 degrees Celsius. The maximum temperature in the last 24 hours was negative 6.2 degrees Fahrenheit, with a negative 21.2 degrees Celsius reading. The minimum temperature was at negative 27.6 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 33.1 degrees Celsius. The barometric pressure was at 989 millibars, or 29.2 inches of mercury. The wind was a Beaufort number of 2 coming from north at about 350 degrees. This was indicated by smoke coming out of neighboring smokestacks going from north to the south. There was no cloud cover, but looking northeast, it can see stratus clouds stretching from the east to the north with no precipitation. On the fourth day, January 31, at 1:52 p.m., the air temperature was negative 11.6 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 24.9 degrees Celsius. The maximum temperature was negative 10.8 degrees Fahrenheit. The minimum temperature was negative 34.7 degrees Celsius. The barometric pressure was at 999 millibars, or 29.5 inches of mercury. The wind was a Beaufort number of 1 coming from the southeast at 130 degrees. This was indicated by the smoke coming out of neighboring smokestacks blowing from the southeast. There was no clouds in the sky with no precipitation. On the fifth day, February 2nd, 2020, at 1:40 p.m., the air temperature was 3.8 degrees Fahrenheit with a negative 0.15 degrees Celsius. The maximum temperature was 5.8 degrees Fahrenheit and the minimum temperature was negative 31.3 degrees Celsius. The barometric pressure was at 1,006 millibars, or 29.0 inches of mercury. The wind was a Beaufort number of 3 coming from the northeast about 180 degrees. This was indicated by the grass and small branch movement. Today we have an overcast of clouds composed of altostratus and altocumulus clouds with no precipitation. Here are the pressure plots from my observation. As you can see, my readings are similar to the NWS readings from January 28th. Well, the pattern is similar. The National Weather Service reading ranged from 1,025 millibars on January 26 and dropped to 995.2 millibars on January 29. Then rise back up on February 2 to 1,015.1 millibars and drop back down on the last day to 1,005.4 millibars. My readings were slightly off with a 999 millibar reading on the first day, then to 989 millibars on January 30, and on the last day it went back up to 1,006 millibars readings, which were correlated with the clear skies we've been having with the high pressure and the clear skies and very cold temperatures. On my reading, for the most part, correlated with the National Weather Service readings. On Tuesday, January 28, 2020, the TV weather map shows a big low in the Gulf of Alaska at 955 millibars and 2 high fronts in the Bering Sea off the coast of Russia with a 1,026 millibar reading for both with patchy snow